This video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can be making at least 1,000 Naira every day by posting or reading news on this particular website. As is to say that on a daily basis, if you're consistent with this particular website, you can be earning at least 1,000 Naira to 2,000 Naira being paid into your Nigeria bank account by either reading or posting news on this website. So all you have to do for me is to stick around from beginning to the end on this video by making sure that you sign up to my channel and also click the bell notification so that each time I drop a wonderful video just like the one you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to notify you. Now let's go straight to the website that can be paying you this amount of money on a daily basis. And this website is known as payroot.online. Under this payroot.online, there are so many things you can do there, but today we're concentrating on how you can read news and also post news to make at least 1,000 to 2,000 Naira on a daily basis. If you come to this website and click sign up, you're going to fill your full name, please make sure that the full name you're going to fill is the name that is in your account. That's your local bank account. Then you fill your username, fill your email address, put your phone number, your password, confirm your password, and click sign up. I'm going to put the link to this website on the description of this video. Now let's log in and see how the website looks like. Now, if you come down here, you're going to see create blog post. That is where you can be making money on a daily basis by writing posts. You can also come up here and see read blog. If you click on this read blog, let's start with it. Like I told you, you're going to be making money either by reading blog post or by writing blog post. You don't need to have any website. You don't need to pay for any domain name. Just come up to this particular place, follow all the steps we'll be discussing here for you to be making this money on a daily basis. Now click on read blogs. Now let's see how that one works too. Now, if you come over here, you see there are a lot of blogs that people are writing and people are actually making money from this blog posts. Like this person had already 408 views, just like this person, just like this person. Now, if you come up here and click any of these blog posts and this story opens, what you need to do is to read it from beginning to the end. Just spend a little time on this particular story. And when you finish, if you come down here, you're going to see claim rewards. It is because you've spent some time on this particular story, reading it from beginning to the end. Then you now click on claim rewards so that this thing will be actually added to your account. Now, if you say you have successfully earned points, you can now close the page and view more blogs. As much as you view some blogs here, you'll be getting your rewards. That is the first thing you can do by viewing this blog on a daily basis for you to be able to make at least 1,000 Naira on a daily basis. That is the first thing there. The second thing we talked about here is how to write posts to make some money. If you come down here and see create blogs, you click on this, if you click on this break, create, these are the kind of blogs you can be writing. Click on here. Then you see they kind of notice this here. Say, note, it is important to avoid relying solely on payroot for generating views. The primary purpose of blogging is to share your content externally with your payroot serving as a means to monetize your blog. What is trying to let you know is that please, if you write your blogs, make sure you share it with your friends. Make sure you share it on social media handles. Make sure you share it on different places so that people can actually come up to your blog to start it. One of the places where you can share your blog is a place like Naira Land. If you share your blog on Naira Land, people can link back to your root account. And now if you come down here, you see these are the kind of stories these are kind of things you can write. You have funny, you have story, technology, football, trending. Now, assuming you might be telling me now that you don't know how to write any particular story, what you need to do is you come down here, select any particular category that you want to write on. Is it funny? Is it story? Is it technology? Is it football? Is it trending? Any of them, you can still get any of them. You can still use AI tools to write any of these stories. Let's assume, for instance, that if you want to write on trending news, you need to go to Google and write trending. Find out those things that are really trending in Nigeria now. Then you can come up here, copy some of them, write all of them, and put on this particular place. And if you want to write stories, for instance, you can actually go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT come up with some interesting story titles that are good for Nigerian audience. Then you click enter. Then you now wait for ChatGPT to come up with most of these things, and you now look at the ones you think that will attract people to write. Like this place, you have echoes of the Obas, whispers in the Sahara, Wind, City of Masks, a Lagos Mastery. Then, if you look at all these things and find out any one you think you can write, then for instance, now let's say you look at this particular one, the Mysteries of the Oracle. For instance, now you now copy it. You copy it, you now take, most of the stories they are writing these places are just small stories. And you paste the story topic, then you click here now. So what you need to do, you wait for it to just write one little thing there, and once he writes it, you just copy it and go and paste on your Payroot account. Now this is just a story that the ChatGPT is writing for us. Now what you need to do now, you come here and copy this story. This is the story title here, the one we copied before. The story title is Mysteries of the Oracle. Then you come here, copy it, go back to your Payroot account, put the title there. So put the title there. Then you come back to ChatGPT again, copy the whole of the story. But please make sure you're going to read this story critically to make some edits. Please make sure you read this story to make some edits. Then copy it, come down here. Then what you need to do is you paste the whole story here. Once you paste the whole story here, you come down and select. Once you come down here, you come down and select story. Once you select story, then you can click on publish. That this story is going to be a maximum of 1,000 words only. A maximum of 1,000 words only. Please, that's what you need to do. And you can, if you click here now, once you post now, you click here now and get any particular image that you want to use for your image on this story. You can always go to unsplash.com to get images, that is free images that are not pictured. Go there, take this particular image and come and put here. Then when you publish all these things, make sure that you go back each time, and as you publish this one, you keep publishing, make sure that the story word is only 1,000. Let it not be more than 1,000. These are just short stories that people can actually read. Please make sure that when you finish, you're going to be sharing your stories on different platforms, so for you to be able to keep making money. And each time you log into this particular website, you definitely get 200 points on a daily basis. And there are so many blog posts that you can read. There are so many of them you can actually read. Make sure you keep reading. As you're posting, you are reading. As you're posting, you are reading. As people are reading your post, you are making money. Like this person that has made up to 480 views, you are actually making money. Please go and take advantage of this particular website now. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. Please make sure you take advantage of this website and start making money. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.